Alright, back here on this wonderful Mercedes piece of shit. ML350 2012 Bluetec diesel. So I got a check engine light on, and it's the heating coil for the Adblue. So the dealership charged me $2,400. They told me the part's $1,500, and well, I found with this one guy in Canada rebuilds them and puts a coating on it so it doesn't corrode, because y'all know that when the liquid dries out, it crystallizes, so it corrodes. So here's the new piece from Canada. I'm gonna install it. If everything turns out a-okay, I'll give you a link to where I got it. It was actually $350, but it's $150 core charge, so he wants my old one back. Alright, I already took off this cover, and I added this aftermarket tow hitch, so I had to take that off. But take off this cover right here, take off these screws right here, and the cover comes off. And now we gotta take this guy off. Unscrew that, and then you're gonna have to support this because I still think I have some tank in there. And then you're gonna have to unscrew this bolt, and then you're gonna have to unscrew that bolt, and this thing comes right off. And I think there's one more bolt, this one right here, and then this one in the back. Oh, you got this bolt. Unscrew. So one more. Yeah, and then get a jack here to support this, because this is pretty heavy. And we drop it down a little bit, and we unscrew the back. So the dealership will land at $2,400 to get it done. The parts cost me about let's see, $380 if I return my old one. So, all right, here we go. Well, I had a first problem. You have to unplug this, my snap, from this guy, and this is nipple right here. This is on the other side, and you have to push it with your screw that way. Through like the two small screwdrivers or flatheads, and push that white out, and it comes right out. Oh, my freaking thing broke. Son of, so I gotta glue that up somehow. This goes bad anyways. One day you're gonna have to do this again. I'm debating, should I just buy another one, brand new one, and don't deal with it anymore, you know? I'm already down here, right? Now you gotta get these little bolts that were located here. There's 3 of them. And then this thing has to come off. I don't know how to take this thing off. I think it pops right up. We'll see. You see? Here's a new one. I guess this is important forward. Notice the arrow. So, it's pretty important. Alright, here we go. And here we go. Got this thing right here for express shipping for $280. Not too bad. So I'm screwing those metal screws. There's one right here. There's one right here. I got this thing L thing, and there's one in the back. And then unplug all these from it. And that's by pulling these things back. Well, you get the point, and then push them down. Found that was the easiest way. Let's see if I could do one in one hand. I need two hands. Oh. Once you got all the screws off, like this little guy right here, this just pops right out. There you go. And the rest, you unplug that, unscrew that. This guy pops right out. Just nice little twist, pug, it'll come right out. Alright, a full disclosure, I'm not a mechanic. There we go. Alright, let's get the new bolts, new seals, ready to go. Alright, this guy just pops right up. You just pull it up. Comes right off nicely. You unplug all that shit, and then you get this sensor off to get these guys out from the pump. So now we gotta get this, unscrew this. Let's see if I can hit it with the hammer and just fucking knock it all out. Alright, here we go. Oh, and pay attention that this is the front, and pay attention with the arrow, so make sure you get lined it up all nicely. Alright. Alright, that looked pretty easy. Not too shabby. So this was $2,400 so far. I haven't took it out yet, but I'm gonna just clean it up a little bit. I think it just pops right out. So let's move forward. Alright, so I took out the old one, a little yellow in there, and what you have to do is, once it's in there, you take off the rubber piece. Let's turn the lights here. This little piece, and you have to just twist it to the right, and pops right out. So you gotta line it up over there. That's gonna be a little pain. Cool. Let's move forward. Alright, now we got them screwed in. Now we plug these back in. Okay, so now we got to get this guy without breaking it, connect to this guy in here, and insert Oh, on the other side, this way, south. Okay, use two hands on this one. Okay, folks, under 2 hours, man. That's all how long it take, and they want to charge $2,400 at the dealership. Wow. My engine mounts. They want to charge $1,700. That was a lot difficult. 10 times as difficult than this. I don't get it. I don't get it. And good luck.